Hi, I'm Richard Scott. I'm Chief Partnership Officer at TwinView, and I'm here today with Pryderi at this amazing hub of innovation, M-SParc in Anglesey. We're going to be kicking off a project today that's going to be pushing the boundaries of digital engineering in the built environment, innovation and collaboration.
Great words, innovation, collaboration, it's what M-SParc's all about. So we are ecstatic to be starting this project today with the support of the Welsh Government, collaborating with TwinView. We've got an amazing platform, but also with our fantastic tenant community to understand how we improve this facility for its users.
Together we're going to be building a digital twin of this amazing facility and understanding the operational characteristics. We're going to be looking at energy consumption, air quality, water quality and people movement, and generating a huge amount of data that we're going to be sharing with the innovative community here to find ways to optimize this building and its facility and its environment for the purpose of which it was designed and the people that work here.
And so what, you might ask, well this is huge, right? Because if we can get all that to work in M-SParc, well we can run that across the country, across the globe. This is a big ambitious project that we're kicking off today. So make sure that you follow the project, follow us on social media, #SmartSparc. Is that what they say?
That felt